Photosynthesis. How plants make food using sunlight. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process plants use to make their own food. Plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. They produce glucose, also named sugar, and oxygen. Steps and importance. Steps. 1. Leaves absorb sunlight. 2. Roots take in water from the soil. 3. Leaves take in carbon dioxide from the air. 4. The plant makes glucose and releases oxygen. Importance. Provides food for plants and oxygen for living things. And this is the process showed in a diagram.